In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email signatures in Canva. A clean, professional email signature can make a big difference, especially when you're sending business emails, client proposals, or networking messages. If your signature looks cluttered, blurry, or uneven, it can make an otherwise polished email feel less professional. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier, and you don't need any coding or design experience to get a great result. To begin, open Canva on your homepage and go to the top right corner. Click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size from the menu. Make sure the unit is set to pixels, then enter 800 for the width and 200 for the height. This gives you a wide, clean canvas that works well for email signatures and helps prevent oversized graphics that can look awkward in email threads. After that, click Create New Design to open your workspace. And once your blank canvas is ready, the next step is to set up the area for your profile photo. On the left-hand sidebar, click Elements. Scroll until you find the Frames section, then choose a circle frame and drag it onto the left side of the canvas. Resize it using the corner handles and position it so it sits neatly in the left portion of the design. Try to keep it centered vertically so the layout feels balanced and intentional. Now it's time to place your portrait into that frame. Go back to the left sidebar and click Uploads. Select Upload Files, then choose your professional headshot from your computer. After it finishes uploading, drag the image over the circle frame on your canvas. Canva will automatically snap it into place. If needed, you can adjust the image inside the frame so your face is centered and clearly visible. Next, you'll create the text section on the right side of the signature. Click Text in the left sidebar, then choose Add a Text Box. Move that text box to the right of your profile image. Enter your name on the first line, then your job title on the second line. From the top formatting toolbar, choose a clean, professional font, such as Montserrat, Inter, or Roboto. Make your name slightly larger and bolder than the title, so there's a clear visual hierarchy. Below that, add your contact details and any business information you want included, keeping everything neatly aligned and easy to read. Finally, take a moment to review the full layout. Make sure the spacing feels even, the text is sharp, and nothing is too close to the edges. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner and click Share, then Download. Change the file type to PNG for the best image quality, confirm your settings, and click Download to save your finished email signature. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.